graphics, got some grips, got some bars, got all new fresh plastics. Also, as you can see over here, this pipe has a pretty big dent in it. I do have a new FMF pipe for it, but I'm just waiting on the silencer to come in. I also have a new Thrill Seeker seat cover coming in the mail because this one has a little tear, as you can see. And yeah, and also one thing I did want to mention is I do have these little packets of promoter. So what the promoter is supposed to do is it's supposed to help the graphics stick to the plastics better so they don't start peeling over time. And I'll also leave a link down below in the description to where you can pick these up. Hopefully they do good. This is the first time I'm using them, so we'll see. I'll also leave a link down below in the description in case any of you guys wanted to pick some of these parts up for your 2000 or 01 Yz125. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into putting all these parts on the bike. Alright guys, just as a quick little disclaimer, I know my filter is dirty. I just haven't got around to cleaning it. Probably just gonna order a new one, so. Got all the old plastics off. Now it's time to put on all the new ones. Alright guys, I didn't end up putting on all the plastics on the bike since I did want to put some of the graphics on the plastics while they're not on the bike. And I didn't get to show putting on the front fender since that one was a little bit tricky to put on. So yeah, but first I think I'm gonna put on the rear graphic for the rear fender. So yeah guys, I'll get to doing that right now. Got the first graphic on. Turned out pretty good. Had a few little air bubbles, but I kind of managed to push some of them out, and I poked little holes so some of the air could escape from it. But yeah, overall, first one turned out pretty good. Now I'm gonna move on to the tank graphics and then the shroud. So yeah. So I got the graphics on the gas tank put on, and I also went ahead and put on the two for the airbox. But yeah, now that I got both of those put on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the shrouds. And then once I have those bolted on, then I'll go ahead and slap on the graphics for the shrouds. Sorry guys, but my camera died as I was putting the shrouds and the graphics on, but honestly, overall they came out alright. One issue that I did have was the hole lining up right here at the bottom. As you can see, I did have to cut it out a little bit to shape the hole, but other than that, they both came out pretty good. But I think next what I'm gonna do is put on the side panels and the swing arms, and then do the forks and then the graphics for the forks, and then I think we'll be all done. I forgot to mention, I still need to put on my bars and the grips, so yeah, let's get into that.
electronic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Alright guys, I got all the plastics and all the graphics put on the bike. Everything turned out pretty good, but what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take off the bars and the grips and replace them with the new bars and grips that I got over here. Then I'll save the number plate to put on last. So yeah. Guys, finished putting on the bars and the grips. Also put on the front number plate, and yeah guys, I'm basically done for this video. And like I said, I do have a pipe for it and a new seat cover. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked how the bike came out.